That's panda kasi his color looks like a panda color. There's the black, the gray, and the white. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Leon's World SL. Let's stop for a while for my Comic-Con videos. And now we're back to my pets. Here are my parakeets. They call it parakeets. Alright. Okay. Alright. Come here. Come here. Very good. Come here. Okay. Bait-bait. Come here. Ito see. This is dragon. Look at that. It looks like a dragon. Look at the feather. But as we continue, please click the bell to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Leon's World SL. Very good. Okay. And that yellow parakeet, we call her Crystal. Oops. Lori is out from the cage. And he flies so well. He has a great color as he flies on the air. Now they are together with Crystal at the top of our kitchen cabinet. Okay, I guess this is it for you guys, for you birds. Birds of the same feather, flock together. Ika nga. Alright. So back to your place. There you go. There's a dragon. Wow. One with a yellow, bluish green and gray. That's dragon. We have here Lori. And Loro. That one, I called him Panda because his back has colored gray, black, and white combinations. Just like a panda. And that is Crystal. It has a very relaxing color. That is why I called her Crystal. Enjoy sila. They enjoy flying over. It's been a while. They will not able to fly. They can only fly inside the house. If they fly outside, they're gone. And that green, I called her Lori because she looks like a loro or a parrot in English. Wow, pretty cute, isn't it? Alright, I have something to put on top of this cage. But, muna natin itong pinto. Actually, I made this roof for this cage, so to make it pretty, And if I expose them under the sun, that at least they have some shade. At least if it rains, they have something to cover for themselves. Alright, I hope you liked my video for today. My new set of birds. Lori, Crystal, Panda, and Dragon. All new sets of birds of me, okay? Alright. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, Young's World SL. Woo! Oh. Oh. Nag-ipon-ipon kayo dyan. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Wow. Yeah, sila. Okay.